I'm Cass and this is my food channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. I am making juicy and crispy roast chicken with vegetables. So let us begin. For the roast chicken and vegetables, we need a free-range chicken, 3 large potatoes, 2 lemons, 2 tomatoes, 2 peppers mixed, about 6 carrots that I've removed the skin from, 1 large red onion, extra virgin olive oil, rosemary, chili flakes, garlic flakes, parsley, thyme, cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, black pepper and butter. Let's begin making the roast. Remove the chicken from its packaging and then we are going to lift the skin with a sharp knife and gently cut through into the skin. Put your finger in. We want to go as deep as we can in order to add the butter in so that it cooks from inside out. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of butter and place it into the under part of the skin. I'm going to turn the chicken over. Do the same. Cut into the skin. Take some butter and press it into the skin. I'm going to add a little bit more. Put it a little bit that side and a little bit that side. So when it cooks, it's going to cook inside and the butter is also going to come out of the skin. With a huge roasting dish, you are going to gently place your chicken on. Now you are going to cut up your vegetables and place them around the chicken roast. Add your peppers. You can cut them into portion sizes. Wash your potatoes thoroughly, especially the skin area, and now you can cut them up into portion sizes. Place them around the chicken, closer to the middle so that it cooks up well. Cut your lemons up in halves if they're not very big, and then also place them around the chicken. Add in your tomatoes, add in your carrots, and lastly we add in our onions. Now we will be adding our seasoning. Add black pepper, a nice generous amount, salt, onto your chicken and vegetables. Add thyme on your chicken, your tomatoes, rosemary on your tomatoes and on your potatoes. Add some parsley onto the potatoes and tomatoes as well. Add some garlic flakes onto your chicken and onto your potatoes. Add some chili flakes to your potatoes as well for a little bit extra flavoring. And I'm going to add some paprika onto the potatoes and some cayenne pepper to flavor it a little bit more. Then we're going to top it off with some extra virgin olive oil onto all the roasting vegetables. A little bit on the chicken as well. In the meantime, you can set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. When the oven light goes off, then you can pop this roast dish into the oven and bake it for about 1 hour, plus minus. So the oven light has just gone off. Let's put the roast into the oven. So let it bake for plus minus 1 hour and then we'll check up on it. It's 40 minutes. Let's check the roast now. So we can go ahead and turn all the vegetables so that they cook perfectly on both sides. The lemons, the onions, the tomatoes, they all have to caramelize. For extra flavor, you can add a garlic or two. To just give it a little bit more flavor. We are going to turn this chicken. So the chicken is browning nicely. We have to turn it onto its other side and cook that evenly as well. For this section, you can add a little bit more butter. And you can spread it with a brush. Let's add a little bit more of extra virgin olive oil, because some of the vegetables need to be coated further. And then pop it back into the oven again. And that's going to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes. Let's check on the roast chicken and vegetables. And this is how our roast chicken and vegetables look. I kept it in for an extra 15 minutes so that the potatoes were nice and soft and the chicken browned a little bit more on its skin. Juicy and crispy. This is my roast chicken with vegetables. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass.